is that? Oh, you're so cute. Oh, what's that?
Did you make a squeak?
She did.
Squeak, huh? Is that a lawnmower?
No, it's a motorcycle. A little thingamabobber.
We need to start putting out spike strips. We'll just leave them here. Hey, you cutie pie.
It's not ready yet. You gotta be patient.
Hold on, little impatience.
Yeah.
You gotta be impatient, patience.
Ooh, you got a loud bark. You are too cute.
I'm going as fast as I can.
No, Daddy, no.
I'm going as fast as I can.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh boy. Oh boy. Woo, look at her go. And then she stops.
Go get it, Luna.
Go get it. Go get it. It went upside down.
Go get it.
Oh, okay. She turns it over. Turn it over, Luna.
Turn it over.
Luna, get it. Turn it over. Not quite. Teacher.